Hey everyone, thanks for joining. I appreciate it. This is Tommy at Reversal Swings. Just want to give you a quick review on the last few weeks, actually about a month or so now, since we've had these tremendous runs, catching up on some videos here. So again, thanks for stopping in here. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for a group for swing trading, that's what we do. So be sure to look at the link in my bio or send me a direct message if you're interested in a group where swing trading is the main thing that we do here for folks that can't keep their eye on the screen and day trade, um, every other minute or whatever. So anyway, let's get started here and talk a little bit about the run that we had, especially going into last month with gas and oil. These plays were just fantastic. They were phenomenal, right? So, one of the first things that happened though was I saw that there was a run that was starting on Impp, and the pumping was starting a little bit too soon. There was an initial spike on this one here back in early February, and I gave an alert on it right after that. So this thing, back here we had this move here at the end of January. This was getting pumped up pretty good, and I just said, well, no, not now's not the time here. Let's wait and see. Let's let the dust settle a little bit, and then gave the move here at 48 cents, and in the 60s, and then this thing just started to rip after that with some pullbacks, and obviously that spiked to 970. This was a 20x, so this was like a 2000% gainer. This was actually absolutely fantastic. So, again, congratulations for those that were following along here, and maybe got the call on this. Um, here's a couple of screenshots on us talking about it in the chat room here. This INDO, HUSA, GBR. There was so many oil plays. They just decided to keep on going. So, here's definitely a clip right here talking about, even into March we continued to have that nice run. So there was INTO as well. Again, the patterns pretty much the same. Couple of gaps up here. Now, I'm not liking the chart on IMPP right now. If we do have another oil run, we're going to be selective with what stocks that we go to, especially watching for any. This is a good time for any of these companies to raise capital with some offerings as well. So again, HUSA, this one here, we've been waiting for this oil move for quite a while. And obviously, with what's going on in Ukraine and Russia, they really pumped oil up pretty high here. So we'll keep an eye on this. But really, there's other opportunities and other trades right now that are starting to move some of these small caps. You're looking at SONM, which this is another one that we talked about here. And let me just find, there's MULN, here's SONM right here. So a lot, 60 cents right here, like this area. First target was 85. Always want to make sure that you have targets along the way. Wanted to see 100% win or more. I think that SONM, this one can go $2, $3 here real quick. So we'll wait and see if this actually gets another push over this $1.60 mark and potentially goes even higher. So I've got lines drawn well up to $3 here. So we'll see SONM, and again I mentioned MULN as well. So you saw my post right there. This tremendous volume that we had back in the end of February was just fantastic opportunity here off these lows to make some trades here. But now that it's cupped back up and broken to new highs, we're above the 50 here. This again, with all the volume, I say this has an opportunity just to continue to run. So we'll be looking for this level to break right here, and definitely this level here at 375. If we can continue to see this momentum, which nothing here is showing me that we can't. So MULN is another play. Just to look at a few other things here. A while back we called KAVL, and And we have a couple other ones here. MXC was another oil play as well. So, but a couple other plays that are going to be paying off here that are already started. Another one here is HUIZ. So we have China plays that I've been waiting on, and other ones that we've been calling in the group. So for now, we'll go with this. And don't forget, in the big cap world, the large cap world, we're talking about other stocks like Tesla, which was alerted as well back in the 700s. Let me just pull that up for you guys. So here's a chart of some things that were called, and we're very green on right now. Tesla back at the end of February, 745. It's now over 900. Again, I've got SNOA on my watch. This one here is going to be really good. APRE is finally starting to get a bounce here as well, and I like PCMB and UTME as well. So a few different good stocks here that are on alert. We have some really good entries on. We'll start to see these things fly here real soon. Last one, UTME. Pay close attention on this one here. We're going to break out. We've got good volume. We're coming out of this chart definitely on the weekly here. Really loving what I'm seeing on UTME. Once we break over this level here, we're just going to fly. So this is really, really a nice setup. And that's about it for tonight. So thanks again for joining. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And again, reach out if you're interested in learning more about the swing trading. Thanks.